All right, so we're making some really good progress. In this video, we'll cover step 5 of enhancing the product list component to search for products with the product service. So let's move over to our product list component. So this is product list component.ts. Let me clean up here just so I can have more room for my editor. I'll move in here and I'll define a new property called search mode. It's of type Boolean. We'll use it in this video and we'll also use it in some follow-on videos. We need to make a code update. Please use the information in the red callout and update the code accordingly. This will resolve any compiler errors. Alrighty, I'll add a new method here called handle list products. And I'll actually do some code refactoring. So the code that I currently have in list products, I'll move this code to the new method handle list products. So let's go ahead and cut this and then we'll move it down to that new method. And I'll show you the reasoning for this in a second. All right, so handle list products basically had a copy or a cut of what we did from our previous list products method. And so in this method, we'll call this.handle list products just to kind of keep the flow going. But what I want to do is actually add some logic here. So if we're in search mode, we want to call method 1, else we'll call method 2. So let's go ahead and define or assign the value for this.search mode. And I'll basically just check to see if this route has a parameter for keyword. Because if it does have a keyword parameter, then that means that we're performing a search. And remember, the keyword parameter came from the route configuration that we set up earlier. And also from our search component, when the user enters their search data, we're going to navigate to the URL and we'll give /search/ whatever that given keyword is. And so remember, that's passed in from the search component. So we're basically just checking to see if that keyword's there, that keyword parameter is there, then we're in search mode and we need to do something different with our coding logic here. So I'll say if this.search mode, then we need to do search work. So I'll say this.handle search products. That's a method that we haven't defined yet. We'll create it in a second, but then else, so we're not in search mode. So just go ahead and list the products like we've done before. So that's the basic reasoning here of kind of refactoring the code a bit and extracting that given method. All right, so of course that means that we need to create a method, handle search products. So we'll do that now. And in this method, I actually need to get the actual search keyword that the user passed in, basically reading that parameter. So I'll make use of this.route.snapshot.param.get, and I pass in keyword. So now we need to search for products using that given keyword. So I basically make a call, this.productService.searchProducts. I pass in the keyword. And then we do our normal work of doing a subscribe. The data that's returned, we simply assign it to this.products. And we've seen a lot of this basic coding here before. Alrighty, so this coding looks okay. This looks pretty good, but you see an error there on the screen. Search products, that's not defined in the service right now, and we'll actually do that or define that method in the next video. So stay tuned, we'll cover that.